So question 2, show that x minus 1 is a factor of f of x equals 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus x plus 2. Okay, so we're going to use synthetic division here. So, and our divisor is going to be, well, if x minus 1 is a factor, that means x minus 1 equals 0, so x is going to be equal to 1. Okay, so, and we have our equation, which is 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus x plus 2, and then you draw in your L, and you have 1 here, and you just take your coefficients, which are 2, minus 5, 1, and 2. So 2 plus 0 is 2, times by 1 is 2, minus 5 is minus 3, times 1 is minus 3, plus 1 is minus 2, times 1 is minus 2, plus 2 is 0. So and now you need to write a statement here. So you say remainder equal to 0. Then you say therefore x minus 1 is a factor. Okay, so you get your first mark here for knowing use x equals 1 as your divisor, and then you also need, then you also get your second mark for completing the synthetic division and writing this statement here. Part B. Hence or otherwise solve for f of x equal to 0. So that means find the x values that's going to give this expression an answer of 0. So we've already got 1, which is going to be 1 here from this x minus 1 is a factor. So we need to find the other 2, and we know it's going to be 3 because this is a polynomial of order 3. So that means it's going to be 3 roots. So we can rewrite the original expression like this: x minus 1 equals, and from here this gives us our quadratic factor. So this becomes 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. Okay, and now we just need to factorize this expression here. So well, 2x squared can only come from 2x times x, so x minus 1. We're looking for 2 brackets. Okay, so that's going to be 2x and x, and then we're going to 2x, and then we need something that's going to multiply up to make 2 and 3. So it's going to be 2 and 1, and the just there, because 2x can be 4x, so you want that to be minus 2, and you're going to want that to be plus 1. Okay, now we just need to set these equal to 0. This should be set equal to 0. Okay, so you have x minus 1 equals 0, 2x plus 1 equals 0, and x minus 2 equals 0. So x equals 1, x equals negative 1 over 2, and x equals 2. Okay, so so your factors are, just to label your point, x equals negative 1 over 2, and 1 and 2. Okay, and that's the that's your final answer there. So you get 1 mark for getting your quadratic from the previous question. Then you get your second mark for finding the factorizing it correctly. Then you get your third mark for getting the correct roots.